Hello, today we will guide you through easily set up Cloudflare email, how to use email routing. In this walkthrough, we'll set up Cloudflare email routing so messages sent to an address on your domain can be forwarded to another inbox. This is a helpful way to create professional-looking custom email addresses without needing to host a full mailbox on your domain. To begin, open your Cloudflare account home. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the domain you want to configure and click on that sample domain to open its settings. This takes you into the management area for that specific website or domain, where Cloudflare keeps tools like DNS, security, and email options. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Email. Inside the email section, choose Email Routing. This is the feature that allows Cloudflare to receive email for your domain and forward it to another email address you already use. When the email routing page opens, click Get Started. This begins the setup process and prepares Cloudflare to create your first routing rule. If this is your first time using the feature, Cloudflare may also guide you through a few setup prompts on screen. Just follow those as they appear. Now you'll be asked to enter a custom address. This is the address people will send mail to on your domain. For example, this could be something simple like contact, support, or hello, depending on the purpose of the inbox. Choose a name that's easy to remember and relevant to how you plan to use it. After that, enter the destination address. This is the existing email inbox where you actually want to receive the forwarded messages. In other words, mail sent to your custom domain address will be redirected here. Be sure to enter the destination carefully so messages are delivered properly. Once both fields are filled in, click Create and Continue. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Cloudflare may ask you to confirm details or verify the forwarding destination before the route becomes active. Pay close attention to any prompts so the routing can be finalized successfully. After setup is complete, it's a good idea to send a test email to your new custom address to make sure forwarding works as expected. If the message arrives in the destination inbox, your email routing setup is working correctly. That's it. You've now gone through the process of setting up Cloudflare email routing and connecting a custom domain email address to your preferred inbox.